Sit and wonder about the times that it made sense. But nowadays I don't worry about what's past tense. My younger days I used to hang around with mad friends. If we just fell out, I don't really know what happened. A lot of people come around to keep you stagnant, distraction. So yeah, don't show them no compassion. We was really out here grinding, really rapping, stacking them Franklins, them Grants, and them Jacksons. Imagine if we would've never been unpacking. I'm blacking on anybody thinking they could act up with me. This vibe ain't for free, cause where I'm at in life, I'm only focused on me. Note the self, know yourself, focus on your health. They don't wanna help them, it, do it by yourself. Don't give them no excuse to put you on the shelf. If it's me, myself, and I, then it's no one else. Yeah, self-love is the best love. It's the people who always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and make the best of it. Love yourself. Practice what you preach.
All right, a little bit of a late start this morning. But set up here. Good morning, good morning. See what time is it? We got about 4 minutes until market open. Let's see, am I gonna be solo dolo today? All right. So yesterday, let's see. Let me close that, because that don't matter. There we go. Man of the hour. What's going? Nah, you good, man.
Yeah, now I'm free.
Let's see. You want to jump on the stream or not? If you want to jump on video, you're on the audio right now until so it's up to you. No pressure.
It's okay then, because I'm about to do some uploads for work.
Do your thing. Yeah, I feel like between Asia to now, it's just been an accumulation zone. I did catch a little scalp in London. Glad I didn't hold it. You know, so I'm up just a few hundred on a day. And
same here.
Same here. You caught shorts?
Yeah. I traded Asia last night.
Oh damn!
Bravery.
Huh? I said bravery.
Oh yeah, I was studying and kind of was taking a little break, so I checked out the charts and I was like, oh, this looks promising. So I just jumped in it.
Nice, man.
I didn't hold it long though.
Yeah, I just caught a little scalp. But yeah, man, I don't like the range too much, but definitely is curious to see where we go. I mean, I do feel like we're at a premium, but I think you pointed out that breaker to me from yesterday, so I'm thinking, man, you're probably right that it doesn't even need to go any lower, because I did want lower prices, but you really don't have to, man. So I'm curious.
Well, it's still, because it is in an internal range, like you said, you wouldn't need to take some type of internal liquidity, and that's usually either London's low or a 1 hour Fair Value gap, which we don't have a 1 hour Fair Value gap overnight. The last one was from during Asia, which is why I bought last night. So I would hope that Asia lows stay intact. Otherwise, yeah, it would just be going down from there.
That would make sense. So probably just take out 22,906 the 6 o'clock lows and then maybe go up from there?
It's a possibility.
Okay. The market open now. I do have an area of interest above for that ES, but initially I was thinking that maybe it'll short from there, but it's a possibility that it goes up and then it doesn't hold, and that it just continues up. So
I would love to see one of them dip below London.
yeah, those 6 o'clock
Not London.
lows, yeah.
Sorry, not London. Midnight.
Well, ES is below oh no, it's not. Well, it's about to be.
It's about to be. Yeah. The gap overnight. Both of them have to make their way down there.
See, midnight and that gap is almost the same with ES.
And Q's a little wider.
I feel like the manipulation move, it's gonna be tough to it's gonna take some time is what I mean to say. Like, I think the first 30 minutes or so might be choppy.
There's no prominent news today, right?
Nope. But there's FOMC minutes tomorrow, not the interest rate, but the minutes tomorrow. So I was wondering if maybe it's just gonna be choppy because, of preparing for news. Like, if it was interest rates, I'd probably say, man, I'm probably not gonna trade, or especially if I already caught something in London. So I'm not sure.
Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's see if we can use the 6 a.m. lows, because now they both just re-dip below London lows.
Below or inside Asia, really. Well, we got our first gap.
There is SMT prior to 9:30 open. Sometimes 9:30 just love to make its own fucking SMT, so I don't always want to trust anything prior.
Yeah, because I see smooth highs above. At least on a 1 minute, it looked like smooth highs. Well, the first market open gap is being retested.
Imagine if that was a shorts. I'd be sick.
I mean, honestly, it can be. It honestly can be, bro. And then just go straight down to the market open gap. That'd be interesting. But I'm gonna be patient today. Try to get into something that's very, very clear, though. I mean, that's definitely a nice scalp. But even if I did it, I wouldn't hold it. Well, I would be at break even already.
I haven't even gotten down to the 1 minute. I'm still on the 15.
That's not a bad idea. I would do it just to mark up the first gap, and then you can look back. And we're taking a 15-minute swing right now, so those 6 a.m. lows, those London lows are there.
They both took it. Means nothing anymore.
It may just continue dropping. We'll see. Larry Williams said if it goes down real fast and immediately come back to the range, that's a buy signal.
Might as well use that gap as an inversion if that's the case. If it closes above it. What the hell? That gap was small as hell. Low 922,
Very
high
small.
921.
But
By
every
half a
gap
point.
matters.
And here I thought you was a Republican.
Now that Diddy's out, I'm joining the Black Party.
That's crazy.
That was quick.
Washington University.
Oh, DXY bullish as hell. Filled that gap that I talked about.
I don't think I've used DXY this entire year, bro.
Hey, bro. That thing is it matters, man. It's not a end all be all because the price action can be disgusting oftentimes. So I only look at it on the larger time frame. I don't look at it on anything less than the 1 hour really for analysis. But sometimes I may see what it's doing just for the day on a 15-minute. I don't look any lower than that because they both can be going in the same direction, but I just look at for overall.
Yeah, same here. I use some market on a 1 hour as well.
They haven't been needed.
Yeah, ever since it started going the same direction late last year, I kind of just neglected it. I don't even have it on my charts anymore. I closed all the tabs.
I don't blame you, bro, to be honest with you. I don't feel like it's ready for reversal. It looks like it's going lower.
I need XRP to get back to the $2 range. I could buy some. Alright, looking on the 4 hour, there is a S&T and a bullish. That's the thing that I hate. On the 4 hour, I have it side by side. You have S&T on top, and it's now leaving a 4 hour CB. And then on the bottom, you have S&T, and it left a 4 hour BC. So it's like, it's playing both sides.
Yeah.
It has the same setup on both sides. It's leaving a bullish breaker, rejected a bearish breaker.
We may just be continuing the order flow from yesterday.
Yep, I'm gonna go back to the last S&T, or the most prominent one, and draw that out.
There's S&T right now.
Check
NQ
out
made a
10
lower low.
P 10. Mm-hmm.
I don't like those equal lows on ES though. I don't like those equal lows, but there is S&T.
Midnight, both took out midnight. There hasn't been any S&T, unless I'm missing something.
On a 1 minute 940.
Oh, gotcha. I was still on a 15. First 5 minute fair value gap being retested. See if that's gonna hold or if we can get some S. Oh, okay. I see bullish S&T. Alright, I'll give this a shot.
Oh,
How
that
much
wasn't me
risk?
telling you to trade, because I don't like the equal lows on ES. I mean, if you like it, cool,
I know.
but I was just pointing it out.
The $400.
There's also a 5 minute fair value gap that got
They
retested
both.
too.
Yep. That's what we see.
You're
Alright,
trying the
so
longs?
no. The gap's been filled for ES.
On ES, yeah.
And Q left like 2 points off of it. This might be a temporary long for real.
I don't know about that. Like it wants to go short.
Let's see. These longs work out.
If you're gonna buy, I would
Projection.
buy an ES before buying an NQ. Yo, EX looks super bullish above market open gap. I could probably try these longs and NQ. Alright, I'm in with one contract. And NQ.
Same. I got in late. I got in at 9:09.
I just got in. Fully willing to.
Remember, I said I wanted to enter below midnight, and now it's at midnight. I'll have to see a rejection here. So if this is the case, then London highs is the target at 972. See if it holds.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. 15 minute. Oh my god, the 15-minute candle closes in 1 minute. Yeah, man, this thing looks bearish on everything else.
I want to see what a 5 minute close is. ES looks like it wants to use that as an inversion. If ES does that in the next 59 seconds, I'll hold. If not, then I'll get out.
Yeah, I was hoping for an inversion, but it looks like is what. I think we just need more patience. It's 9:44. Probably need to wait till 9:50. You know.
Yeah. I mean, the most important thing was I wanted to get in below midnight, and it's there, and the risk is $400, so I'm not really worried about it. ES just reached its first fair value gap. and it's rejecting it.
Yeah, I just closed
So-
this trade.
Okay.
I think it's going for. I'll jump back in if I see something different, but not
Watch
feeling that.
High is for 350, low is for 375.
All right, 15-minute candle close.
Oh, I just missed something. Price right now is right at a 1 hour bullish order block. Happened at 9 p.m. Oh yeah, I'm definitely holding this.
Might work out. ES looking strong as fuck right now.
Yep. Can't wait till it closes above there to confirm that as inversion. And this thing is just playing around. Oh, you saw that? It's crazy. I wonder if ES rushing up there, rejecting 830 open is the true SMT.
Yeah, ES bullish as hell. That was definitely the better buy. The only reason why I
NQ
wouldn't
still
buy an
playing.
NQ is just to follow suit with ES, you know?
Only reason I bought it is because it was under midnight and rejected that. And the higher time frame, in my eyes, is bullish. The only way I get worried is when when ES reaches London highs, and if NQ is still playing around where it's at,
Got you.
then it'll be like, yeah, I'm out of here.
Look at those equal lows on 1 minute.
It's crazy.
On NQ though. You see those jammed up? I don't like that. That's like double bottoms, triple bottoms, you know what I mean? Like This is nasty processing.
What you mean? This is fun, bro. That's what it's all about.
If I was a market maker, I'd dip that shit one more time, but not actually make a new low and then go up.
Wow. Thank God you ain't. ES is making its way down. There's no news today.
Nope.
Definitely S&T on the high side.
There is.
Yeah, I might reverse the position.
Oh.
If it creates a fair value gap, I'll for sure reverse. Until then, I'm chilling.
If it doesn't make a new low, and market makers is listening to this stream.
This man has 4 views per video, and he thinks market makers.
Hey man, you know, they after the little guy. That thing literally made a new, took one more dip, but didn't make a new low.
That's
Gotta
what you
be
said,
crazy.
right?
Yeah.
You should be buying right now.
No. Still not my setup, but it's crazy though.
You're not a man of your word, man.
I should buy.
Yeah, the 1 hour bullish order block is just putting on strong.
I'll buy. We get above this market open gap for NQ.
Yeah, if this fucky candle right here becomes a nice bullish gap, I'll probably add on another position. But right now it's just going around.
DXY dropping some more.
That's right. Speed close above midnight.
Alright, I'm gonna jump in, bro. I'm gonna jump in.
This is playing ping pong.
I'm giving that thing a short leash. Like a hell of a short leash. I don't want it to come back down. Come on, get above market open price. So we got 950. It took out those equal lows. Wanted to create a gap. And that could be the setup for the longs. I don't want it coming back to London's low anymore. DXY coming down, that looks good. I like the gap. That's at 952. And if it leaves that open, even better. Leave that gap open, even better.
This is the, I guess, the macros. There's a 950, 1010. I'm gonna add another position.
I don't know. If this gap doesn't hold, I'm closing it, but I want this gap to hold now. It's at 952. But we still below market open price for NQ. I need that bad boy to get above that. There we go. There we go.
So when this was getting highs.
I do not like this at all. Yep. I'm out.
Yeah, just got another SMT.
Now I gave back money that I made from earlier. Hold on real quick. Hello? Alright.
Well, this is the SMT after 9:30. Price often does. Bum bum. I'm gonna reverse to shorts at 900 areas if it comes back to it.
Oh my gosh.
Yep. The gap above that would be a breakaway.
Should have waited.
Okay.
Should have waited. I should have waited.
Let's Just ignoring that gap.
See, I have some equal lows on a 1 minute that it also just grabbed. Listen, that thing could still go back up now, but I doubt it, only because ES has those equal lows. I should have known with those equal lows that it wasn't. Don't trust equal
You
lows.
missed it by a little bit. Let's get back to 8.99, bruh.
Huh?
I'm waiting for it to go back to 8.99. Can jump in the shorts.
I see that. I mean, but your stop loss would have to be at like 916. Unless this is like a entry order flow entry drill.
Yes, retested its CB, so it may not. Let's see, just a little bit. Dang it! Am I trying so hard for perfection that I'm missing out on opportunities? Wow, bro! Wow.
Bro, let the minute candle close. It might go back up some more. Or just get in with like one contract. How many contracts are you in now?
I'm still in without one. I'm just, yep. I was waiting for.
Oh, ES is bringing this baby lower.
But I had it at 8.95 due to 4 points I didn't. Now go back to 8.99.
So you telling me that macro wanted to take the highs and then make a fair value gap to go lower? $12 minutes for this thing to finish. It could just drop without going up too.
Thinking about just doing it at 8.90 and 99.
I say hop in, bro.
Yeah.
Hop in, bro. That thing look like it's about to tank. I'm in for a scalp, giving it short leash. That it doesn't go. I know it's late and it's gonna look like I'm chasing, but what I'm looking at is that ES retested that gap when NQ did not, and it looked like we clearly wants to go a little bit lower. But if it spikes up, then I'm like out of it.
Give me 8.99.
And it
I've been
look like it's
patiently
doing that.
waiting. Bro,
What price you looking for?
it's like 2 extra
Oh,
points.
$8.99?
The gap, yeah, the gap at 9.58. That's all I'm asking for, and they just turn around from there. You mother! I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna wait. 8.99 is what I want. I guess I was being selfish. It's crazy.
Trap Tuesday. This 5-minute candle closes in a few minutes, and I wanted to leave this.
Bro, just give me 8.99. Just give me 8.99.
Drop.
Thank you.
There you go.
Finally.
Did you have a sell limit?
No, I was still in the box. So I reversed my position.
Wait, you reversed it to the short at 99? Okay, okay, okay.
I'm already up for the day, so I wasn't really worried. I was down like $600. Then when I
Mm-hmm.
reversed it losing like $100.
Got you,
So
got you.
now I'm up $600 again.
Oh man, that was perfect too. It literally tapped 8.99 and went lower.
Yeah, patience pays, I guess. All right.
Yeah, man.
Yesterday's lows. So now we're looking at 780
Yeah, I'm gonna try
or
not to be greedy
779.
because I gave back some of my money that I made and then went to
Mhm.
I gave back some of the money that I made and then on the second L went down basically a couple $100. So I'm trying to hold this, but I probably shouldn't. I want to see it make one more new low because I'm thinking about time now, like 10:06, and I don't want it to play around too much. It looked pretty efficient up top unless it's going to reverse. If we're gonna reverse, then cool, but otherwise, I mean, honestly, I would love for it to take yesterday's low, but at this point, but I'm not going to hold all of it that long. Let's see.
I'll be back.
All right.
It's running well in profit. When I come back, I'll take partials.
All right. I'm going to be responsible here. Now let me look for that setup and be up for the day. Alright, let me widen this scope of this range. I don't see how we go back up from here.
All right, still playing around.
I fully closed my trade just to be I'm up for the day, made all the money back and some.
Nice.
So but
It's playing around the
You know,
opening range. So what
I
I'll
want to hold it. I don't want it to go back to the 99 unless it's going to reverse. If we're going to reverse, cool, but otherwise, no. I'm going to wait for another setup to jump in another trade, but I'm fully out. We could just typically drop back to the old all-time high.
Yeah, I'm gonna take partials once it fills overnight gap. ES filled it, but NQ haven't.
Overnight gap?
Yeah, the RTH gap. NQ
It's
still
already
haven't
there
filled
for
it.
NQ.
It closed at 860. It's inside of it currently. It hasn't closed it.
Oh, you look at the... Okay, I got you. I see what you're looking at. We mark it up a little bit differently. That's cool. I always put mines at the 1600 candle.
Oh, gotcha. On a higher time frame, it shows you 1600. But on 5 minutes and below, it shows 410.
I see what you mean.
That's
ES has a setup for continued lows, but if it doesn't respect that gap, that could be an inversion. It's now 10-10.
Bro, what are you doing? Just go down.
ES has some, and Q has some equal lows on a 1 minute that I got marked up, and that's at 878. This could be, I don't know, I'm trying to wait patiently for something clear, but I ain't gonna buy and switch on auto flow unless something gets violated, and as of right now it feel like continued shorts.
$8.31. All right, now I'm bored.
We got ES below Asia's low, and
Looking at the
we
2
got
standard deviation
in
on the
Q,
1 minute, what
not
made
below
the
Asia's
SMT?
low. I mean, could that be SMT?
I'm looking at SMT on the high side.
I mean, because I see SMT everywhere. ES
That's
took
the
Asia
issue.
low where NQ did not. We also had the one up top that you named as well.
I thought Asia was from 8 to midnight. What times
That's
do
the
you use Asia for?
8 to, it is 8 to midnight. Probably my settings is messed up. Let me see. You're right. I'm looking at ES. Alright. My parameters is all messed up. That's all. That's my fault. So Asia low is 263.
It actually has it from 8 to 10. I just Googled it.
Well, ES has that setup that could be inversion gap for going longs. Damn, DXY is going long. That's why equities is dancing like this. It's cause of DXY, bro. It's making it not easy. Making it not easy. That's why people be over here trading other pairs.
Right? Guys was trading silver and oil and stuff. Oh my god. Let's going back to my entry. That's always nice. Thanks for that.
I don't know. ES took out some equal lows. Did not. 10:05 candle gap did not hold. I don't know. A buy might be worth. Let me see a setup. Ooh, let's see how this gap candle close. See, I don't like volume imbalances. I don't trade volume imbalances, man. I want to set up that I like. This looks good for a buy right here.
If you would use the 1005 as an inversion.
Yeah. I just don't. I don't know what to trust. That might have been it.
I'm still holding the cells and still proving otherwise.
Oh, you holding the cells from the 99?
Yeah. No,
I hope you
don't
at least
know.
partial at the new low.
It didn't reach my partial area.
Okay. Honestly,
When
I
I
would
drew
go
the
South
range,
Frito.
when I drew the range from the S&T, that the 2 standard deviation is at 825, and it hasn't gone there.
We cycle 2 minute, don't like 3 minute, don't like 5 minute looks decent. Okay, this is moment of truth right here. At least with ES, either that's gonna be an inversion to support high prices, or it's gonna go lower. And I would have felt better if there was at least an S&T here for the on the like one of them made a new high and then continue lower. I think I'm gonna buy ES. that as an inversion. And if it doesn't work, maybe this is my last trade for the session. Because that would have been how many tries? I think 3 trades that I've tried so far. And I took a L. No, 4. Yeah. So I took 2 L's, made my money back, and then this would be another L. So that would be a sign we're like, okay, I'm done for the day. I'm not getting the price action that I'm looking for, and or at least I'm not in sync with the market. So
This is so boring.
oh, it is very boring. Very boring. Damn, that was another 5-minute gap on ES2. For more shorts. I feel like there's gonna be FU candle in one of these directions real soon.
Let's see.
Yeah, DXY is raging highs, bro. Which is gonna make it tough for the market to go up. It's either going down or just gonna be nasty. And it looks like it's going down. Close. Alright. I closed that ES trade. I'm done. Done with executions. And I'm down $200. Let me see. I'm just gonna watch for you right now, and I'm probably just gonna wait for a different session. You're targeting what?
825
825.
and then 780.
Love that.
I might not wait till 825 because ES literally just tagged 2 standard deviation. So I'm probably just gonna take partials here, if anything, if it starts going back up too fast.
How you gonna get it, bro? You getting it? Cause ES is gonna go to Asia low that I had marked up wrong, and then Q is gonna continue dropping.
So there's your lows from that.
Yeah, and I'm not gonna chase it at this point. I missed that. I don't want a 200 loss day to end up being, you know how those days go. Trying to chase, it goes up against you. And
good. That's good risk management, right?
Yeah. Well, shoot, your thing was on point. You had like zero to drawdown almost at the 8.99, and then went down.
And what I see, man.
There we go. Great drop.
It still didn't tap it. I went to partials and SPS tap Asia lows. Split around 2.5 standard deviation.
It looks like another setup in ES. This is NQ, another setup too. It's 1027.
Ah man, 2 standard deviation. Pushing it up.
Where you mark it up from?
So the SMT, for ES, it's at 948.
Oh, okay.
The top of 948 and that long wick. So that's the mitigation. And then NQ has the breaker.
No, where did you draw the projections from? From the top? From the 948?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
ES at 948 top and 951 bottom.
Got you, got you.
Oh, that's a super discounted 15-minute bullish. So there you go. If price closes above the 1024 bearish fair value gap, I'm just gonna.
You just gonna close?
Oh, yeah, I wouldn't want it to
Alright.
use that as.
I got you. Yeah, I'm not in anything. Probably gonna wait for the PM session or call it a day. It's above it on NQ.
Yeah, I wanted to see where it closes. Up.
Yeah.
I'm about
Might
to
be the
close
reverse
it.
of doubt.
Mm-hmm. That's crazy. Up like
Yeah.
$1,700.
Good thing you took partials though, man. You good?
Wow. That was a waste. Watch it comes right back down. That'd be hilarious.
Yeah, DXY look like you want to come back down, making it easy for this to go up. But when DXY is raging, it's just choppy. That's the reluctantness. Damn. Alright. Guess we calling it a morning? Or
Mm-hmm.
you waiting for something else?
I'm okay.
You're not jumping in another trade, right? Or at least not right now?
Nah, I'm done, bro.
Okay.
Days
Alright. Alright then, man. Alright, we'll be back
I'll catch
tomorrow.
you later.
Yes, sir.
Reps in. Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Reps in. Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Push it, push it, push it, push it.